In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Microsoft Teams meeting in Outlook. Whether you're using the Outlook desktop app on Windows or Mac, the process is fairly straightforward and can greatly enhance your meeting planning efficiency by seamlessly integrating with Microsoft Teams. First, let's get started by opening the Outlook app on your desktop. Once you have it open, navigate to your calendar. You'll find this option in the navigation pane, likely at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Accessing the calendar will set you up to create a new meeting, which is our goal here. Now let's move on to scheduling the meeting. You'll want to click on the New Meeting button. Depending on your Outlook version, you might see this option listed just as New Meeting, or you may need to click on New Items and then select Meeting from the drop-down menu. Either way, this step will open a fresh meeting window for you. Once that window is open, look at your toolbar. You should see a button labeled Teams Meeting, which allows you to convert your Outlook meeting into a Teams online meeting. Simply click on this button. This action is crucial as it automatically embeds the Teams meeting link into your invitation. It's an efficient feature that saves you from manually adding a link, ensuring your attendees will have easy access to join. Now that you've designated your meeting as a Teams meeting, it's time to fill in the details. Start with the title of your meeting. A clear, descriptive title is always a good idea to let your attendees know right away what to expect. Next, you'll enter the email addresses of your attendees in the To field. These are the individuals you wish to invite to your meeting. Don't forget to specify the date and time for the meeting so everyone knows when to join. Lastly, use the description box to add any necessary agenda items or notes. Including an agenda can help keep everyone focused and on topic during your meeting. Once you've filled out all the required information and ensured everything looks correct, go ahead and click the Send button. This action will dispatch your invitation to your attendees, complete with the Teams meeting link already embedded for convenience. And there you have it. Your invitees will receive an Outlook invitation that includes all the meeting details and the link to join via Teams. This integrated approach makes it incredibly easy to keep your meetings organized and accessible, bridging the gap between Outlook and Microsoft Teams with just a few clicks.